Your statistics on Zenler. To find stats of your site, you can simply use your profile image at the top here and go to My Account. Please note that if you are logged into the dashboard, you can still go to your profile and to My Account. Then on the left hand side, you'll see Stats. Click this and it will give you stats on your account. It will tell you how many live sessions you have run and how many you have left, and it will also give you how much mail you have sent out and whether your sender reputation is good or bad. It will also give you next credit resets, last credit resets, and the email current credits. Please note that all of this updates and refreshes every month from the start of your membership.